Today we're going to talk about the general overview of the costs for some of the more popular dogs. Cavalier King Charles Spaniel breeder, $1,500 to $3,500, shelter $100 to $400, pet store $2,000 to $5,000. Poodle breeder, $1,000 to $3,000, varies by size. Toy miniature standard shelter $100 to $400, pet store $1,500 to $4,000. Shih Tzu breeder $500 to $2,500, shelter $100 to $400, pet store $1,000 to $3,000. French Bulldog breeder $2,000 to $8,000, shelter $150 to $600, pet store $2,500 to $8,000. Bichon Frises breeder $700 to $2,500, shelter $100 to $400, pet store $1,000 to $3,500. Prices can vary based on factors like location, the dog's lineage, and specific breeder or shelter policies. Here are some of the insider tricks to finding the pooch that you want. Research breeds, understand the characteristics, temperament, and needs of different breeds to find one that matches your lifestyle and preferences. Reputable breeders. Look for breeders with good reputations. They should prioritize the health and temperament of their dogs. Ask for references, visit the breeding facility, and meet the puppy's parents. Rescue organizations. Many breed-specific rescue organizations can help you find the dog you want. They often have dogs that need rehoming and can provide detailed information about their history and temperament. Shelter visits. Regularly visit local shelters and keep an eye on their online listings. Shelters frequently update their available dogs, and you might find your ideal pooch. Network. Join dog clubs, online forums, and social media groups dedicated to the breed you're interested in. Members often share information about available dogs. Ask questions. When dealing with breeders or shelters, ask detailed questions about the dog's health, behavior, and background. A reputable source will be transparent and forthcoming with information. Health checks. Ensure any potential dog has had a thorough health check, including vaccinations and screenings for common breed-specific issues. Contracts and guarantees. Reputable breeders often provide contracts that include health guarantees. This can provide peace of mind and protection in case any health issues arise. Adoption events. Attend local pet adoption events, which often feature dogs from various shelters and rescue organizations. Patience. Finding the right dog can take time. Be patient and don't rush the process. Wait for the dog that truly fits your lifestyle and needs. Hope this helps you to find the pooch of your choice. Stay tuned to this channel for more insights to the seniors world.